All right, here we go. My 2026 Toyota BZ has been sitting outside for 25 and a half hours now. I parked at 8:30 the night before, and it is now, let's see here, about 10:15. Nope, 9 after 10. Okay, so 25 and a half hours. Car started. It's very, very cold. Go up to there. Got the heater set on 65. Got my heated seat on all the way. Heated steering wheel on the way. Go into the screen on the car. Battery preconditioning is on. Turn on the front defroster. Steamed it up some while I was setting up the cameras. We'll just let this run. Here we go. The battery has been conditioning for 15 minutes. It's 7 degrees. I got 34% with an estimated 33 miles. Let's go charge. Efficiency is going to be horrible because I sat in the driveway for 15 minutes. But that's okay. The point is being parked outside for over a day in single-digit temperatures. If you look at the speedometer in the power section, there's a little white hash mark. That's what my power is reduced to due to the cold. That's more than enough. I've got 338 horsepower, so I don't need that much in the first place, but it's just nice to know. Simple analog gauge, give you a heads up that full power is not there. Alright, we're approaching the highway here. Demo of acceleration. Well, got a still somewhat warmed up battery. It's on the colder side. Definitely winter performance, but you'll see in a sec here. Not a big deal. That's it. Didn't even top out. Set the cruise again. And a couple miles down the road is the charger. This is our exit. It's a truck stop that has EV Go chargers at it. I'm gonna park on this side for filming, and so I'm not in anyone's way. We're here. Alright, shut off the car so I can get statistics on the camera. Here we go. 12.9 miles, 31 minutes, so I had 31 minutes of preconditioning, and 1.5 miles per kilowatt hour, which included the electricity for the preconditioning. Hello, I'm at an EV Go, which means I have auto charge set up, so I shouldn't need to do anything with an app to get the charging started. I got my adapter kit, so I can do this old school charging. Got to convert, grab the cord, these can be really picky. Got to make sure it's in there well. And the cord's extra stiff, of course. Make sure it's straight. Plug in. Just push the in use button. It's checking auto charge. Shouldn't need to push anything. It's not detecting it yet. Okay, so what normally happens, and I can see a gap here. Pull this out. The adapter's not in there well. Check to make sure there's nothing in there. Push it, and this time I heard the click. Alright, so same thing, without touching anything. Fight with the cord. They are very thick and stiff. Push that in and wait. Green light's on. Payment has been authorized. I didn't need to do anything except make sure I had my adapter plugged in well in the first place. It's charging. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. Charging was slower than expected. On the charger it says 83 kilowatts. I mean, that's not bad, but especially with the cold, but it's hard to tell if it's the charger, if it's going through the adapter, if it's the cold battery, or what combination is causing it to go slower than it normally does. But I'll take, let's see, 83. I should be able to get as much as about 110 at this point, but I'm not getting it. That's okay. Charging went just fine. It obviously worked. Let's see, 48%. I got 21 kilowatts, so not too bad. It's very expensive though. These are definitely not the chargers of choice for when it comes to saving a little money. There are other brands that are less expensive. Alright, anyways, we're done. I could stop the charger on the app. I could stop it on the machine here. Just hit stop charge, end session. Easy peasy. Lights blinking. Lights off. So it's done there. It'll be done here in a second. There we go. All right. Take that out. Dealing with the stiff cord adapter came out pretty easy. That's it. Says I charged up to 50%. 21 hours or 21 minutes and 17 seconds. For a total of 23.6796 kilowatts. That's it.